Many production units receive monthly supply schedule from their customer. These monthly schedules can be registered as new sales order in a flash in simpliRP. Earlier we registered one sales order number 18. We will see how to copy-paste all these data into new sales order. Go to Print Sales Order. There is a link in the top. Copy an existing domestic sales order to new sales order. Click that. Select the sales order number you want to copy. Enter the new quantity, new delivery date and update. Now please go to Sales Order Items Entry. The newly created order will appear there. Just confirm and print that sales order. That's it. You can see a new sales order number 28 is generated with all the basic details from sales order 18, without you entering whole lot of data once again. Work smart with simpliRP. Please feel free to contact us for more details. Thank you.